Students are very fascinated with this idea of getting skill-based certifications. So are they really ignoring the college certifications or the degrees?
During their degree course, they learn from MOOCs, learn from NPTEL, learn from different certification platforms.
What are the other aspects you think this is must for somebody who is getting recruited in your company?
For developer, coding is one of the most important skills. But for non-developers, I would say the thing is, without coding, it is possible to do model training on AIs.
Welcome to the show Think Aloud with Professor Alex. We are here with yet another episode, and in this episode we are going to get insights on if skill-based learning is more important, those certifications are more important, or the traditional college certification. So sir, please share us your point of view as the EdTech learning market. You are one of the major persons. Please share us your point of view. That what do you think these days students are very fascinated with this idea of getting skill-based certifications. So are they really ignoring the college certifications or the degree certifications, and should they really do that?
There are two ways about it. One is very traditional universities, government universities and all, we are not updating their curriculum regularly. So for these kind of students who are studying in these kind of universities, for them they should go for, in addition of course to their degrees, they should go for constant skilling certifications. But for universities which are very up to date, like the IMUM group and all, so for them the skill certification is inbuilt into the curriculum. So students, while doing their degree course, they learn from MOOCs, learn from NPTEL, learn from different certification platforms, from Coursera, from LinkedIn, from Udemy, from IEM Learning, from IEM Labs, different certifications they learn frequently. And so they are not in any way only academically qualified, but they are also skilled. But of course, as I said, that there is a minority percentage of universities doing this. Most universities are mostly into theoretical academic curriculum, and for them students go out into the different agencies, even online platforms, and they take the certifications for them. Especially for postgrads, like once somebody finishes the graduation and goes for job, they should constantly upskill themselves. So I tell all my startup employees to constantly have a target and keep learning, because learning is the ultimate, I believe, the ultimate self-satisfaction, ultimate growth, personal growth can be had through learning. And once you have finished a degree, either you go for another degree, but most people will not do it full time, or sometimes it's not possible to do degrees part time or in online mode. So for them, they have to go for constant upskilling. Another problem is that once somebody is doing a job, that commitment, like a 4-year degree or a 2-year degree, is difficult. Once there is a family pressure, work, car loan, it is difficult to take out time. However, if somebody can do part-time degrees, then of course I encourage. Skilling and upskilling should be a constant, a regular target for every employee, for every student. But as I said, for our universities, we have the skilling library given to all the students, and it is linked to the curriculum. So students automatically have to constantly, every semester, every month, upskill in different skill-based certification programs. But I think in summary, I can say that it is not skilling versus degrees, but degrees with skilling, or post degrees constant upskilling. That should be the summary. And the way technology is moving, every 1 year to every 18 months technology is changing. So it is very important to constantly upskill. I remember when I was graduating at that time, J2ME, Java 2 Micro Edition, and J2EE, Java 2 Enterprise Edition, J2 were at the top of the game. But now it's Python. And again, a few months ago it was JavaScript and other scripting technologies. So constantly, just a few years ago it was C hash.
C hash was the biggest in thing, you learn Azure programming, C hash, but now somehow I don't hear so much about C hash. I hear Python, Python, Python all the time, right? All the companies which come for placements to the colleges and universities are looking for Python.
So I would say go for skilling, constant upskilling, and if your university provides it, you don't need to spend any money on it. You can just do that with MOOCs and other university platforms. But your university doesn't provide it, it's a very traditional university whose curriculum is not updated frequently. By all means, spend this extra money, sometimes it's a library kind of a thing.
But go for it because it will help you in the long term. And for those of you who are graduates who are working in various companies, it's a lifelong endeavor. Constantly keep upskilling.
Okay, so let me ask you the question that I wanted to in between. As students, we know that in computer science degree or entering into any engineering degree, how coding is the most important part, or we can say the significant one. So in other degrees, this is not as significant as what it is important to engineers. So what do you think other skill sets other than coding, as you already said, it is very important in different programming languages are important. What are the other aspects you think this is must for somebody who is getting recruited in your company?
I think for, of course, coding is for developers. Coding is one of the most important skills. But for non-developers, I would say AI. AI is the single most important skill. If you're a graphic designer, by all means learn all the AI tools. If you're a content writer, learn to produce content, writing original stuff as well as AI related stuff also. If you are architect, learn to use AI tools in addition to genuine architectural knowledge and skills, right? So in one word is AI related skills, AI related tools, and if possible, I think the higher end of the spectrum is AI model training. Because when you are using a tool, you're basically user, right? But when you are model training, you're basically an architect or a developer of the AI tools, right? AI models. So for high level of customization, you have to learn those how to model train AIs. And the thing is, without coding, it is possible to do model training on AIs and to deploy new models as per your company's requirement. So AI skills are, of course, a must in today's day and age. So that's what I would recommend.
So all of you who are wanting to learn AI based things, don't just use AI. According to Alex sir, he has preferred that you know how to implement it in regular life and have complete skill set of it.
Okay, good luck in all your ventures and keep listening to our channel. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, because when you like, share and subscribe, you're basically helping all your other friends to share this channel, to find this channel and get benefit. Thanks for watching. Keep watching.